In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning YouTube feed like this and track how many visitors are clicking and engaging with your content using our new Feed Analytics plugin. Let's get started. First, you'll need the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. You can purchase and download it from smashballoon.com. And once purchased, you can install it on your WordPress website just like any other plugin. But for this video, I've already got it installed ahead of time. Go ahead and click on that. And on this menu, you can see the YouTube feeds that I've already created. But if you want to create a brand new one, just click on Add New. For the first step of creating a YouTube feed, we'll have to select the feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, display a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, create a feed of videos that match a specific search criteria, and more. For this demonstration, let's go with the channel option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. After that, you'll get this prompt here to enter a YouTube API key if you haven't already. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click Add API Key, and paste it here, then click Add. Now on to the next step, connecting our YouTube channel. To do this, you can enter your channel handle, ID, or username. You can type in the one that's most convenient for you. We're going to type in Smashballoon, which is our YouTube channel handle. Once that's ready, we can click on Next. Now for the final step of creating our YouTube feed, selecting a template for the appearance of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, latest video, showcase carousel, and more. For this tutorial, let's go with the gallery template, and once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview for a brand new YouTube feed inside the plugin. At the top of the feed, we have a YouTube video player, featuring the latest YouTube video from our channel, which you can see down here. And underneath that, we can see all the latest YouTube videos from the channel inside a grid layout. Each video contains the title, the name of the channel, and when that video was published. Our YouTube feed is ready to be embedded inside our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this quickly. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your YouTube feed. And as I mentioned before, we have the gallery layout selected, but alternatively, you can go with the grid layout, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns, the list layout, which is a single column list, and lastly, the carousel. This one allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. But for now, we're going to continue with the gallery layout, and if you scroll down, you can choose the number of columns you have inside your feed, on desktop and mobile. As you can see inside the preview, we currently have 3 columns, but if you want to modify it, just change it to the number of columns you want to display. So I'm going to change it to 2, and instantly we now have 2 columns instead of 3 inside our preview. Let's change it back to 3, and lastly, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. At the moment, we've got 6 videos that you can see over here, but let's say if we wanted to change that to 9, just go ahead and type in 9, and our YouTube feed will automatically update to display 9 videos instead of 6. And once you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to moderate the content inside your YouTube feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Here you can find filters to moderate the YouTube videos inside your feed. First, you can filter videos based on words or hashtags. If you type in a word or hashtag into the first box, your YouTube feed will update to only show videos containing those words or hashtags. Inversely, if you add a word or hashtag into this box, your YouTube feed will block videos containing those words or hashtags. This way, you have complete control over the videos you display inside your YouTube feed on your site. If you want to highlight videos about a specific product or specific type of content, you can enter words matching that video and your YouTube feed will only show those videos. And if there are certain videos that you don't want to display on your site, you can enter words or hashtags associated with those videos inside the second box. And alternatively, if you want to hide a specific video, you can enter the video ID in the box below. And if you've added any filters, you can click Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside our WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. Alright, here we are now inside our WordPress webpage, and to embed our YouTube feed, we have 2 options. The first option is to use our dedicated YouTube feed block, Feeds for YouTube block, like so. With this option, you can instantly see a live preview of our brand new YouTube feed right here. Alternatively, you can also use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. So it's totally up to you which method you use. Now I'm going to delete the shortcode block and I'm going to publish my page. Then we can go to our live website and see what our YouTube feed looks like. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new YouTube feed that we just created inside YouTube Feed Pro. Since we use the gallery layout, we have a YouTube video player at the top of our feed, featuring the latest video from our channel. If a site visitor wants to watch it, they can click on it like this, and that video will start playing automatically directly inside your WordPress webpage. Underneath that, we also have the rest of the videos from our channel inside this grid. And if there's another video they want to watch, they can click on it like this, and that video will start playing at the top of your feed like this. Underneath the video player, you also have a subscribe bar, showing your channel name, profile picture, total number of subscribers, and a subscribe button. If a site visitor clicks on that, That will take them directly to your YouTube channel with a pop-up here asking them if they'd like to subscribe. This makes it really convenient to convert site visitors into YouTube subscribers. Back inside your YouTube feed, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll also find a Load More button. Once clicked, it will load additional YouTube videos inside your feed directly on your WordPress website. How cool is that? We've successfully created a brand new YouTube feed on your WordPress website. But now you might be wondering, how do we actually know how well this is performing? And I've got the answer for you. With our brand new Feed Analytics plugin, you can see valuable insights into how well your YouTube feed is performing. Let me show you. And I've already got the Smashballoon Feed Analytics plugin installed ahead of time. You can find it inside your Smashballoon account just like the YouTube Feed Pro plugin. Once installed, go ahead and click on Smashballoon Analytics on the left-hand side of your dashboard. And here we are now inside the Feed Analytics dashboard. Inside, you can see analytics for all the social media feeds across your site. Currently, what we're looking at is the Overview tab. So you can see an overview of metrics like engagement, which includes clicks, views, and profile visits. And you can also check out the top performing posts from your social feeds. For this video, since we're focusing on YouTube, let's go into the YouTube tab, and this will show you analytics specifically for your YouTube feeds. And what we're looking at right now is across all YouTube feeds in the last 6 months. If you want to choose a specific date range, you can open this up and choose the date range you want to see the analytics for. For now, we're going to stick with the last 6 months. And under engagement, we can see that our YouTube feed has gotten 15 clicks in the last 6 months. Next, if we click on views, it tells us that there's been 4 views. And now, profile visits. So there's been 2 profile visits in the last 6 months. And on the right-hand side, you can see the top performing posts across our YouTube feeds. The best performing posts show the channel name, the video title, a thumbnail of that video, and how many clicks and profile visits that video has gotten. You can see that our best performing video is this one here with 4 clicks and 1 profile visit to YouTube. And if I scroll down, you'll notice that we have analytics for 6 videos from our channel. By analyzing which videos inside your feed is performing best, you can double down on what's actually working. It helps you create more content that your audience wants, improve engagement, and use top performing videos more strategically across your site and marketing. And if you have multiple YouTube feeds on your site, you can also open this up here and choose which feed you want to view the analytics for. For example, let's go with the one that we just created. Since we just created it, there's no analytics to report for this. So it's showing up as 0 with no top performing posts. But if I go and select an existing feed, this one here, we can get a clear insight into how this one is performing. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a fast and responsive YouTube feed for your site and use feed analytics to track performance, identify top videos, and improve engagement too. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.